Hello ladies and gentlemen, Tacoma SRT5 coming at you today with a Infinity Kappa 800 watt subwoofer. This is a free air subwoofer, I believe it's called. I think that's the terminology. It doesn't absolutely need a box. I'm sure it would sound better if it had one. But I've got a hole in the back deck of my car and I'm going to put a subwoofer in it. So I thought I'd just make this unboxing video. This was found on Amazon. It was $80 and 800 watts. I don't need any kind of a, my brother-in-law would call an unintentional bowel moving bass. So yeah, I thought this would be good. It had good reviews. So here we go, a little box opening here. I already started to cut it when I realized maybe I could make a video. So there's that. Subwoofer manual or instructions. I'm not going to read them to you. Packaged nicely. This is maybe an inch thick at the widest and probably, I don't know, half an inch here. Looking good through the plastic. Doing this one-handed, so just bear with me. I don't know if that is carbon fiber or it just looks like it. It's very pleasing to the eye if that was sitting in my car door or what have you. Let me put you down for a second and we'll take a closer look. Okay, we got a little bit of sticky insulation to provide a little vibration dampening by adding the cushioning factor there. There it is. I believe this is the trim ring. Yep, there it is. So this will go on top of the mounting points. That looks okay. This looks better. More professional. And put it down one more time here. Pull it out of the cardboard. Yep. And there we go. Exactly like it is in the picture. This is 2 or 4 ohms. And there's your speaker input. Man, it looks and feels very nice. I know a lot of products are kind of okay, but man, this is well made. Looks presentable, even if it was facing down on the back of your sub box or something. But here we go. Maybe I will make a sound video, which I doubt I will, because really, I mean, no sound is ever recorded like it is in person, let alone stereo competitions. But man, it looks good. I'm real satisfied. I'd say $80 is well worth it. And we'll get to putting that in the car. Thanks for watching. I'll give you an update, and I'll let you know if I would buy this again.